All right, guys, we are going live. Share my screen quickly. Actually, we are going live. We are going live now. So if you're watching, let's go. Um, Hello, everybody. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome to our channel. Listen, we're going live right now. I'm just about to get on it. So we're about to trade live. This is live section. I'm gonna be trading live. So get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. Get ready. Get ready for this. Now, I will explain what I'm waiting for and what I'm intending to do with this pair. I will explain what I'm waiting for and what I'm intending to do on GU. This is GU right now. So I just want a lot of people to join us quickly. Live section. Live section. Get in, get in, get in. Let's go. It's been a while I've done live trading section, so let's do it today and see what the market holds for us. It's gonna be nice. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. So we're waiting for price to. I will explain everything on my chart. I will explain just a simple strategy. I'm gonna be trading live with today. Just a simple strategy. So I will explain it, and then we'll go straight up to it. At the moment, the market is consolidating, is creating this uh, push up and down. So I will explain a few things here so you understand what's going on. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. If you're joining us live, welcome. Watching wherever you're watching from right now, share this video, share the link to your friends so that they can join us. We're about to get started. About to get started. About to get started. So this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. What are we looking forward to? Something nice, something nice, something nice. I'm looking for opportunity to trade over this level. So let's wait. I'm trading above this high. I'm waiting for price to break above this high. I will explain everything as soon as we have a lot of people on so we can get going. So we can get going. All right. Now there's an M pattern being formed. Remember, GU is bullish. Okay, that's what we're looking at. I will explain from just to let you know from let me take this off. Just to let you know from the higher time frame, I'm gonna do some explanation so you understand. Now there is a kind of price rejection there at the top, but it doesn't affect, it's not gonna affect what we're planning to do. So let me show you something quickly. All right. Yeah, make use of the comment section, everyone. Make use of the comment section. Tell me what you think. What do you think about GU? Let me see who have an idea of what the market is doing on GU right now. Let me see. On the comment section, let me know. Tell me, what do you think is going on GU right now? What do you think is going on GU right now? Who can tell me? In your own words, what do you think? On the comment section. In your own words, what do you think? Okay, let me see what you guys are saying in the comment. No one is saying anything yet. Okay, let's wait for others to join us. We're going to share the link. I'm going to share the link to my Telegram group right now, and then we'll get started. So just give me a minute, and I'm going to do that so we can explain a few things. Price is still warming up, consolidating, and all of that. So it's still consolidating. We're going to check that out. Check that out. Check that out. Okay. Just a minute, and we're way on. Just trying to send information quickly to everyone. Now, okay, now here's what I'm thinking of, right? First of all, GU is bullish overall. You need to understand that. GU is heavily bullish. And if you've been following my analysis, you know that that's what we're looking at. We've been talking about it. If you watch my previous analysis, where I talked about, that's last week, the weekly analysis that I sent, I talked about GU, and we're expecting it to go up. I'm expecting GU to go up, to rally crazy. But for that to happen, it's been going up. So we've been trading in the bullish market since on Monday. We'll be trading the bullish market since on Monday. So it's not a big deal. We know exactly what we're expecting. All right. Let me just quickly share the link so we can have people getting them. It's consolidating at the moment, so just get yourself ready. The market is consolidating, so let's wait for a break out of that. Let me go to the Telegram and send that quickly. So here we are on the Telegram, and we will send that quickly to everyone. Paste the link. Great. And there is it. Bam. All right, we're there. Okay. Now, like I said, there are a few things I want you to pay attention to. This is strictly live trading section. I will explain a few things, and as soon as opportunity comes in, we're going to bang on it. We're going to get in quickly. So get ready for that. As soon as we have the opportunity to get into the trade, I will tell you. All right. Okay, here is exactly what I am looking at. Hello, everyone. You can see me now. This is Trader C Brown Live, and we are here. So let's go. Um, I'm gonna be just showing you the chart. Let me quickly hide my face a little bit, so you can see. Now, here's what I'm looking for. GU is bullish, and I want price to break above this high. If price break above this pre-market high, so I'm trading here now. Based on my strategy, I'm trading the pre-market high and low, and also pre-daily high and previous daily high and low, based on this strategy right now. So I'm looking for price to break above this high and retest, and I'm gonna sell. So I'm gonna buy. Sorry, I'm gonna buy to the upside. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a breakout. Now, if price, two things. If price drop with rejection and reject there, remember it's a bullish market. I will wait for rejection here. If price reject from here, I'm going to buy. That's another way I'm looking at it based on this trade right now. And also, if price come all the way down and break this structure, that means it has given me what we call a proper displacement. That means there's a proper drop that breaks structure, and then I will wait for a pullback into this pre-market low, and I will sell. Now, when I sell, I'm going to target the previous low, which is here, or previous daily low. Now, this is how I'm going to be looking at this trade. This is how I'm going to be trading it. This is what we're doing, okay? So let me explain again. First of all, let me go to another chart and just explain to you what I'm looking at on GU. Now, what I'm looking to trade is, first of all, you go to the daily, you observe the previous day. Now, the previous day is extremely bullish. As you can see, throughout the night, the market is being bullish. The previous day is extremely bullish. So this is the previous day high. That's where we're targeting. Okay, we're targeting that place as a TP. And if price break above that, we will target the next psychological level, which is over 13500, 132,500 right here. That will be the next psychological level. Remember, this is a higher time frame. I'm looking at the higher time frame to predict my move. Now, this is also the current low and also the pre-market low, pre-daily low. That means previous daily low, which is very clear there. So I just marked that out, my previous daily low. Okay. And then my previous daily high is this one. So I'll put it there as my pre-daily high. Now, this is the area I'm trading. Now, I'm not going to wait for price to break above that high before I trade. That's way too far. So what I'm looking for is a very simple thing. On the 1 hour time frame, I've already determined what I'm going to do, which is the pre-market levels. So I will look for the pre-market level, which is here. As you can see, the pre-market level is here, which is pre-market high, which is that pre-market high. And also I have my pre-market low. Now, there's a reason for this, because I'm looking at those areas as interest areas, price action, where I'm going to sell or buy. Now, I can decide to sell or buy, but it's based on this pre-market low and high. So what I'm waiting for now is this. Because the market is bullish, we can tell on the 4 hour, if you go to the 4 hour time frame, the market is bullish right now. We can tell break of structure to the upside, precisely prices still want to go up. And also, if you go lower than that, we are bullish. So that's what you want to know. Are we bullish or not? We're bullish. So that's all we want to know. So the first thing is to look at what the market is doing now. We have already marked out our area of interest. Now, the next thing is to go to a lower time frame, like 15 minutes or 5 minutes. Normally, I use 5 minutes time frame for this kind of trade. So I'm looking for what? That price will break my pre-market high. That's what I just said earlier. I want price to break my pre-market high. This is the pre-market high, and this is the pre-market low area here. Now, I can choose to use this structure low because it's close to it. It's not a bad idea, because that will be liquidity that price will take on that smaller time frame. So if, and again, is a kind of a minor structure that I can look forward to. But if I go to 15 minutes time frame, you can see that that is a candle that we're looking at really. And again, there's a structure here. So when I am trading this now, I'm waiting for us. I'm going to trade this. I'm waiting for two things. Like I said, this is the pre-market high, and we are bullish. I can only buy when price break the pre-market high. So I'll look for price to break this high and retest, and I'll buy. And I'm targeting that pre-market, that pre-daily high, and I'll take my TPM out. Or I could wait if price fails to go up and reject again here and then comes down. I'm not going to sell until it breaks this structure and then retest, and I'll sell. This is how I'm going to trade it. There's very simple strategy, simple system. I'm not going to force the trade. I'm just going to wait for any of this. So a breakup structure to the downside. And this one already broke structure. So there's no need for me to look at the breakup structure to the upside, because the upside we have that this structure has been broken with this push up. We can see that we have a breakup structure already to the upside, which is clear. Now, what I'm waiting for is that price break above the pre-market high, and I will be able to get myself in. So I'm looking for price breaking above the pre-market high, which is this pre-market high here, and I'll be able to get in on this trade. So this is what we're trading, and it's almost time. Price is trading. Now, as long as price is trading inside this place, I can decide not to trade. And that will be it. I will not trade. As long as price is trading inside and there's no clear direction, I'm not going to trade. I'm not going to force any trade. I'll just wait for price to break that level. What do you think? What do you think in your own analysis today? Can I get a confirmation in the comment section? What do you think that this direction will be? Do you agree with me or not? Or do you think there's something else that you think the market is going to do? Leave it in the comment section. Leave it in the comment section. Let me see what you have to say about that. Leave me in the comment section. Leave it in the comment section. Let me see what you got to say about that. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're waiting for it. I'm getting my mental trader ready. I'm trading a 100K account here. And if you can see it, I'm not sure you can, but that's it. Let me see. Where's it? I'm gonna show you. You can see that that's a 100K account, right? You can see we are okay. Yeah, I think I need to flip that thing so you can see it properly. So we're looking to trade, continue from there. So at the moment I'm 104,000. I made a profit yesterday. So my trade yesterday were this were my trade yesterday. All right, this is my trade. I'm not sure if you can see it, but again, let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. So you got the idea of what we're looking for. We want to break out, and then say, so we're looking at it at the 5 minutes. So get ready. It's getting there. Now this is structure. So I'm looking for, I already see a structure for my stop loss. So I'm longing. Immediately I see a retracement, a pullback into that level, and that will be my stop loss at this pivot level or pivot level, and I'm targeting that high. That is my trade, guys. That is my setup for the day. This is what I'm looking to trade right now. My stop loss is strictly here. There's no gimmick. I'm gonna put my stop loss right there. That's my stop, and that's about 13 pips low. And as soon as we have a breakout to above and a retest, then we'll get in. That's what we're gonna do. So if you have any question regarding what I just explained, if you don't understand, please do ask. Please do ask. But that's what we're doing. We're waiting for these particular moves to happen. Now you can see price is still playing around there until we have a break. We are not sure if the market wants to go up. Now we can only sell if price break below the pre-market low, which is here, not here, here. You say, why is that? Because that's when we know that the market is now going down. So when the market is going down, it means there's a reversal. Then we should be targeting the market low, the pre-market daily low. That means that's where price will get to because of the liquidity that is lined up all over the place. That's when we should look at selling. Now, if you are just joining us for the first time, hit the subscribe button because more of this content will be coming your way. And also turn on the bell notification whenever we come live so you'll be able to participate. Very important. Now we can see prices still playing around. There's no confirmation yet. Do not come in because remember, we said if price is trading between these areas, we are not looking for trade yet until it rejects. So for instance, if price comes to the pre-market low and reject, I'm going to buy. I will look for price action and I will buy and I will take my exits at the pre-market high, period. Now, this is a very simple system that you can master over time. It's not about, it's a day trading system. It's just get out in your day. That's all. There's no big deal. Just get in, get out. So yes. I'm looking at the comment section right now. I'm thinking if you have a question, you can ask. Which pair is this? This is GDP USD, and GU is on 15 minutes time frame currently. Yeah. So I've done the higher time frame analysis with it, just in case you are still thinking about what have I done so far with it. I've done the higher time frame analysis. I'll go over it again one more time. But before I do, if you're watching now, share this content, share the video with others right now. Take the link of this video and then share it in your group, whatever group you're on. Just share it. So we'll be able to get people to join us on the live section. All right. Now, while we're waiting for price to give us an edge in the market, we will also take some questions. And also, let's see what you have been doing. I've not taken any trade today. I have not taken any trade today. So the trade I have taken was yesterday, and this is it. Let me flip I think there's a, hold on. Okay, I think that's it. So let me show you right there. This was yesterday trade. We made 4,650 on the 100K account. So the goal is to hit 10K account. 8K, yeah, 8 plus. So today, hopefully, we hit another 4,000 and we'll be fine. So that's the trade of yesterday. But today, look at the date. The date is there. 240918. Did you see that? 240918. 24, that means 2024 0918. So it's yesterday. So we're looking at that. Now you can see that the market is dropping a little bit. You can see the market is trying to drop, but it is not a sell market. So we will not sell it until and unless this is just a stop loss area. So until we have a structure, if we don't have a clear structure, we can't be trading it. So I can see that all of these are areas that price will want to tap into and create that funny liquidity. Let me see sections. This is London section. What section is that? Yeah, London section, 8 o'clock. So let me see the comments. If you have questions, please ask. Now the market is acting as though it's selling. But remember, we can only wait for price to come here to buy. We are buying this market. We are not selling at all. We are buying this market. We are not selling at all. So the goal is to buy, not to sell. We can only sell when price break this low, this structure here, and then take out the break of structure here, and then we'll look for buy. But at the moment, we want to buy here. I mean, we'll look for sell. At the moment, we're looking at buying there. So let's wait and see what price is doing. Now you're here, it's time for you to ask questions. Ask questions, ask questions. If you have any. This is real-time section, real-time forex trading strategy. And I'm showing you how to identify profitable trading opportunities and how to do your risk management. I'm going to go into risk management in a moment, depending on the account size that you're having. So I just did analysis of the market trend from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. I did an analysis on that just to show you. Now, I'm streaming live. There might be a little bit of looping. A gap. A feedback might be slow. You might have a delay in my analysis. But what I'm saying is, watch out for price to break above this high. Once you see price break, which is you can see the way it's pushing, one-on-one price break above this high and a pull back into it, and then we'll buy. But we're waiting for a price action here. If it breaks and comes on a price action, we'll get in. We might even get in on a lower time frame, like 3 minutes. We will look at it properly to get in on time, so we'll be able to trade. Now, risk management. When it comes to risk management, let's use baby pips for now. When it comes to risk management, it depends on the account that you're trading. So I'm trading that. Let's say you're trading a 10K account. That's what you're trading based on Profem, like FTMO, and you risk 1%. Now, 1% could be, for some of you, 1% could be too much. Okay, for some of you, but 1% is good. Normally, I would trade between 1% to 2%. So depending on your strategy and how confident you are. So if you're trading that, then I will look for my stop loss region. So I need to know where my stop loss will be. But based on this trade, I'm not looking anything more than 15 pips stop loss. So I will use 15 pips. That's the highest I'm going to use. And it's even 15 pips is even too much. Because what I'm targeting, how do you know your stop loss? First, you need to know where you want to enter the trade, which is here. I'm looking for entering a trade around this region. So let's say based on market structure, am I getting within that region? So this is about 30 pips. That's about 30 pips. So I'm looking for 1 to 2 risk to reward, a minimum. So that means I'm risking 15 pips to target 38 pips. Now this is 38 pips, you can see. So that's my goal. That's my target. So I'm looking to enter the trade within this region. So between here and there gives me an idea of what I'm targeting. So I'm targeting about 38 pips. So what can I risk? I'm risking 15 pips to make 38 pips. So that means 1 to 2. So if I risk 15 pips on GDP USD, that will give me that calculation. So on a 10K account, this is what you're trading, 1.3. If you're risking 2%. If you're risking 2%. If you're risking 1%, this is what you're getting, 0.6 loss size, or 66. You can use 0.66 loss size. But on my account, which is 100K, I'm trading I'm trading 1%. I want to trade 1% because I already, okay, let's trade 2% on that. So I'm going to be using 13. I'm going to be using 13 lot size, 13.3 lot size. So I'm going to be using 13. I'm risking 2,000. Remember, I already have 4,000 plus on the profit. So I'm only risking 2,000 out of the 4,000 profit. And I'm waiting for that to happen. So this is my analysis. This is my risk management. I've done it, and I'm going to be using this lot size. So I'm going to set my entry on that lot size, which is 13, because I'm risking 2% and on GDP USD. And I'm look at that. Look at that price. You see what it's doing? Price is trading again. You can see, to confirm that we are still bullish, the market is creating an uptrend in this direction. Is a confirmation that we're still bullish. Okay. Any question? Any comment? Now, if it's, you will notice that the weight price will push, it's going to break out massively. So I'm looking at it the way it's going to break out. So we'll be able to get the opportunity to get in. It's going to break out massively. And here will be our stop loss. So I'm looking at longing here when price break above and so my stop loss will be 15 pips. Remember, it's 15 pips. So I'll leave it at 14.1. Okay, 14.1. I'm targeting 1 to 2. That's 1 to 2 already. But once I get to 1 to 2, which is here, I will take partials. Okay, I will take partials. Of course, I know that the market is going to break. If it's going to break the pre-market high, pre-daily high, it's going to take it off. Dun, dun, dun. What is your risk to reward? 1 to 2. I just explained that. Did you get it? I'm looking. I've done the analysis on the higher time frame, so I'm looking at trading now on the lower time frame because that's my entry. I'm using a lower time frame. How did I get the current market high? Okay, now price is about to break out, and I don't want us to be distracted. I don't want to. I will explain that in a minute. Let's see if price reject there. I will explain that. I just read your question. Sorry about that. I'm reading it now, and I'm explaining it now. Salami, Olimide, I hear you. Did you get my answers now? I don't want us to miss this opportunity to get into the trade. So I just want you to stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. We are risking 1 to 2. Now this is almost 1 to 3, 1 to 2.8. So we're risking 15 pips, 15 pips to make 38 pips or something like that. So we're risking that much. So it's a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So it's very simple strategy, simple risk to reward ratio and strategy. So just wait for it. We did it depending on your account size. So if you have you're trading $1,000, definitely you're risking 2% on that. So or you could risk 5% on that. I'll challenge you to risk 5% on a $1,000 account. So you can only lose $50. If you lose $50, you're done for the day. So this is on a $1,000 account. So you risk this 1.3. Anything higher than that is too risky on a $1,000 account. And remember, 15 pips stop loss. 15 pips stop loss. You're going to do 15 pips stop loss. So you put it right at the low of this structure. So we're waiting for a breakout and a retest. Immediately we get a clean retest, we're going to get in. Remember, this is already liquidity formed. Price is forming liquidity right here. Yeah. Good morning, FS Peep. I said it's FS Peep Lord. That's good. I like that. You guys are welcome. Micah George, greetings. It's been a while. How are you? Now, if you're watching, ask questions. If you don't know what we're talking about, ask questions, please. For those of you watching, if we have the time to explain. Okay, almost now. We're getting a breakout. Look at that. We're almost getting a breakout. Price is about to break out of that place. A breakout is happening. A breakout is happening. A breakout. Woo! Nice. Liquidity grab. Now watch. Guys, watch this. Watch this. Let's see how the candle closed. Pay attention to the closure of the candle. Pay attention to the closure of the candle. We need to pay attention to the closure of the candle. We need a clean displacement. It should go. If it go higher a little bit, that would be nice. If it goes higher a little, oh, not too good. Not too good. Not too good displacement now. Not too good. Not too good. This is tricky. It's retracing. It's weakening. We need a very strong displacement. Come on, push higher. Good. That's come on. We need something. 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 Very well. Thank you, boss. All right. If we're following this for you, it is broken there. Waiting a retest. Okay, the EU has broken. Great. Okay, that's a good displacement there. Watch out. Don't get in yet. Be careful. Don't get in yet. This price could smash all the way down. Wait for this candle, 3 minutes candle to close. We need to see a proper closure. Don't get in yet. Do not get in yet. Wait for the closure of this candle. Do not get in yet. Don't get in yet because the displacement is not that strong. See, that displacement is not that strong. It's very close to the line. So wait for the next candle to close. We have 1 minute left, 2 minutes left on this candle, and then we're getting. If you check it on the 5 minutes, it looks like this, which is good. Good displacement on the 5 minutes. So the second candle confirmed. Look at that. We want to see this candle close nicely. It's going to close bullish above it, and then we're getting. On the closure of this next candle, we will get in, depending on how it closes. If it closes bullish, then we're getting. If it closes bearish, we have to be very careful, depending on how it closes. Price action is very important. All right, that's beautiful. So we're looking at it now on this 3 minutes candle. Let's see. Behavior candles. Remember, your stop loss is what? You can only risk what you can afford to lose. Risk what you can afford to lose. Okay? Very important. Okay. As soon as this candle closes, I'm going to get in. On the 3 minutes time frame, as soon as this candle closes, I'm buying. Look at that. Look at that. Wait for it. Hold on. You see that pullback? Just wait. Let there be a little bit of rejection. So I'm going to get in now. I'm getting in now. Although it's a very funny displacement at that level, it's not too strong, but as long as we're bullish, we're going to be all right. Hopefully, the market is not getting ready to drop on us. Hey, we didn't check the Forex market. Let's see the Forex factory. Forex factory. Let's see the calendar today. Today is 19. Woo! 12 o'clock. There is news. Hopefully, hopefully we'll get our TP hit before the news. Crazy, right? Hopefully we get our TP hit before the news. Hopefully. Wow. Hopefully we hit TP before the news. Hopefully we hit TP before the news. Let's look at the currency strength meter to see what we're up against. Where is it? Okay, GU is strong. That's all right. All right, I'm still here, guys. Just watching. Now, there are news coming up by 12. So that's why we might have a little bit of delay on this particular trade. We might have a little bit of delay because there are news coming up. So pay attention to that. We're having 12 p.m. monetary policy, and then 1:30 we have um, unemployment claims. But apart from that, we should be good. We should be good to rally up, hopefully before the news. What is the stop loss? 15 pips. We're using 15 pips stop loss. Uh, so we're back on. I'm looking at it. Um, Looking at it from the Akanachi candle, which should be going up. The trend has begun with it. It's called show my screen with trying to share my screen with you as well. So let's see on the side of it. Any questions so far? Yeah, Power Mirror. Any questions so far? Wait, guys, I want to share my screen with the entire screen with you, which is here. Good. Okay. I hope you can see this now. I'm risking $2,000 on this account. I'm only risking $2,000. And my goal is to make 4. If we lose $2,000, we close the trade. We start again tomorrow. If we make $4,000, we close the trade. When we go again tomorrow. That's it. We are up 1004. Wow, we're up 1004, guys. Up 1004 right now. 1.5. My goodness, let's go. We're up 1.5. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's go. Wow. 1.5, 1.6. 1.6, 1.7. Let's go. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new here. This is it. This is Trading Live. This live section. I encourage you to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, guys. FSP Lord is a stage. If you're afraid of trading or executing your trade, these are stages. You have to conquer your fear. You have to conquer your fear by executing constantly. You have to consistently execute. That's how you do it. You have to be constant in your execution. You will lose trade. Yes, that's fine. But it builds your confidence. We are up in 2000 right now. We're up 2001. We're up 2000. We're up 2000, guys. We're up 2000. 2000. And that is amazing. That is nice. That is nice. Beautiful trade this morning. Beautiful trade. Beautiful. Beautiful. 1-3. Pushing up crazy. Wow. Beautiful. If you're in profit, please share in your comment section. Share in the comment section. If you're in profit on this trade right now, you can break even right now. We are at break even. So you can take partials if you want. If you want to take partials, I encourage you to take partials right now. If you want to take partials, you can if you want to. But I am not. I'm gonna wait for my TP to hit and I'm done. If you're making profit, reconnect. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Sorry guys, this stuff is disconnecting. They want me to subscribe to it. They want me to subscribe to this stuff. I will buy. I like it. I'll subscribe to it. I'll buy it. It's not the stuff. I will just buy it. We are 2008. Like I said, if you're making profit right now, share your results on the chat, on the comment section. Tell us how much you're on. How much are you on, guys? Who is in the trade? How much are you making right now? How much are you making right now? Tell me. Boss, you are still doing your CB trading lab. Michael George. Oh, come on. Who is in it? Who is in this trade? Don't tell me, guys, you're not trading. You're not in this trade. You guys are not in this trade. This is a live trading section. I call the trade out live. Whoa. You can take partials if you want. That is 1 to 2, 1 to 1 already, 1 to 1.4 already hit. That's partials. If you want to, you can take partials. That's nice. Somebody's up with $200. got in the trading a little earlier. Your call made me stay till now. Thanks, boss. You're welcome. I am in the trade, boss. I hope you entered at the right time because you enter at the right time is good. Listen, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Let's get to 3,000. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. If you have not subscribed, help your brother get to 3,000 subscribers so that people will watch this video over and over again. Look at that. We are pushing up, guys. Price is moving. Listen, hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Let's hit 3,000 subscribers quickly. Let's do it. Let's do it. With all of you here, let's go. You can take partials of your profit if you want to. You can take partials. You can take partials. Let's go. Guys, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. For those of you watching now, hit the subscribe button because we're going to be coming more often live so that we can build confidence in some traders, because I understand that many traders are lacking confidence. So that's one of the reasons I'm starting these live sections to help build confidence in most traders. So if you are that kind of person, hit the subscribe button. Let's make it 3,000 subscribers, and then we'll celebrate it with another live session tomorrow. Hopefully, yeah, it's possible. Who is in this trade with me apart from um, this guy that posted his own earlier? Apart from Oluwafemi, Oluwafemi said he's in the trade. He's already up $200. Who else is in the trade with us? The confidence has been has been a big problem. It's all right. It's a stage, bro. You just have to grow and break it. The more you trade, the more you execute, the more confidence you have. It just comes. It comes with time and patience. It comes with time and patience. With 3,000, price is moving. Ooh, come on, reconnect. Why is this stuff doing this? They want. I will subscribe to you later, bro. Uh, I don't know why this stuff is doing that, but it just keep doing it. Listen, check the comment section. I mean, the description section. You will get in touch with me if you need any help, anything. You want me to mentor you? You want me to guide you through anything? Listen, my link is in the description of this video. Check it at the bottom. You will see them. All right. We are 3,000 plus, guys. We're 3,000 plus. We're almost hitting our TP. Remember our goal on my trade, I risk 2,000 to make 4,000. That's what I'm doing. I'm risking 2,000 to make 4,000. 1 to 2 risk to reward. Simple trade. And I can tell once we hit 4,000, which is 1 to 2 around here, I'm going to close my trade. But I know price is getting there. So what I would do is I would take partials. This is, oops, we got in on this pair right there. So this is 1 to 2 right here. This is 1 to 2. So let me just move this and put it here. So once I get there, that is it. That's 1 to 2 right there. Almost. Why? I'm supposed to have $4,000. Why is it not giving? Okay, let's wait for 4,000. Let's wait for 4,000 then. Supposed to have 4,000. That's 3.5. Supposed to be 4,000. How come? Okay, already we have hit our goal. Oh boy. Let's just wait. Oh no, it's tricky, but that's fine. That's fine. It's the way it does this thing. So Control Z. You can ask questions in the comment section. Yeah, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. If you're in the trade, write how much you're making in profit right now in the comment section, please. Let's share this love. Oh, come on. Patience, 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 patience. Patience, patience. Patience, patience. Retracement is taking place. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take partials. I'll take partials. I'll close out $2,000 and I'll leave the rest to scale. And we'll go again tomorrow. If price decide to break below that level, I'll close out, take $2,000 in out of the market, and that's risk management for me. And I will leave the rest to run if it breaks that line that I put there. If price close below that line, that support, then I'm going to take partials of $2,000 if he allow me to take partials of $2,000 anyways. But I'm thinking like that. I might take partials $2,000 and then leave the rest to run as a HTP, which is the previous market high, the previous daily high, and that's what we're targeting as RTP, which was yesterday high as the market is going, because it's an uptrend. If it's going to continue uptrend, then it should be able to break the previous daily high. And that's why we're using the previous daily high as our target based on this trade setup. All right. Very important to note that. Based on this trade setup. It's just based on this trade setup. That's what we're doing. Okay. So the closure of this candle that is printing right now will be the decision candle that I'm going to make to close out. I mean, take partials, take 2,000 out of the market, and then leave the rest to run. The closure of this candle will determine that. Because there's news by 12. Remember that, guys. There's news by 12. So you don't want to be in the market at that time. You want to be done and dusted before that time. When is the next trade, sir? Maybe tomorrow, maybe next week. Watch out for it. That's why you should subscribe and turn on your bell notification. One more minute on this candle to close. It will be a decision candle for me. If it closed bearish, I will make a decision. If it closed bullish, I'll leave it on to continue. Okay, it's closing bearish, I think. Yep, it's closing bearish. Okay, now I'm going to close out on 2,000. That would be 10. So I'm closing out on 2,000 right now. I'm closing out on 2,000, and I'll leave the rest to run. So I'm taking oh, it's going up. Oh, crazy. Look at that. Maybe I should close out this. I'll close out this. I'm going to take these partials right now. Look at that. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm taking partials. I'm taking these partials right now. Great. So I'm left with this. Now I will leave this trade to continue until TP. So this might eventually give me another $1,000. So that means overall, I'll be closing the trade with about $3,000. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad trade at all. I mean, come on. How many minutes? How many hours? About 1 hour, 30 minutes. We've been here for about 103 minutes. And obviously, That's a good trade. For me, that's a beautiful trade. That's a beautiful trade. Imagine if I have stick to my 1 to 2, which is here. It hits 1 to 2. Never forget. Price eventually hits 1 to 2. I was just a little bit greedy, not taking profit there and trying to wait for price to come. It will still come. Listen, price will still hit the previous day high today. It's going to tap into that, but that would take a longer video. So we're able to hit 1 to 2. And again, I'm still in the trade. I'm not leaving the trade completely. I just took partials. I took 2,000 out of the market, which is a huge amount of money. And I'm waiting for price to continue to the upside. And we will trade it as soon as it goes up because it's retracing right now. This retracement might be within this region of 50% of this region, and then it start going back up. So at that moment, I'm still in the trade. My entry is at the low of this particular price. So even though it comes all the way down with 3 standard lots, which is what you see here, with this 3 standard lot that is left, I can still scale. All I need to do is just add more entries and I will scale up. But otherwise, I can leave the trade, let it hit TP, and that can give us a little bit of 800 to 1,000 depending on the market. And that's what I'm doing. So if you have any question, you enjoy this section, listen, comment in the section below. I'm done. Take partials, everyone. Take partials. Remember, I've been saying it. Take partials because the market is retracing now. So you don't know how deep they are going to retrace. So take partials. All right. If you are still in the trade, close. You see what I did? I took partials. This is how I trade. This is risk management. There's no there's no filtering. This is live. I'm trading. I'm showing you live. I didn't filter anything. So this is live trade. So this is how you should be trading. I'm out of the market based on partials. The rest trade that you see right now is just in the smaller portion of the trade, which is obviously on break even. I can decide to leave the trade like this, and then price come back to that pre-market low. This price here may come to this pre-market low. It may come here again or tap into this other block here, this pivot level, and then continue. Price may do that, but as long as I keep this entry and I find out that it's a continuation, I will be able to enter the trade. But if it doesn't come that low, that's fine. So that's why I have to take partials, because it could do that. It could come that low and then tap into this price action level, this area here. Price could come there and then reject. So if it comes there and reject, what I do is I'll enter more position. Now it means I've already made $2,000. So I'm not trying to force myself into the trade. I'm just actually managing the trade and trying to scale. I actually wanted to make $4,000 today, but was able to take $2,000 back, which I risked $2,000 to make $2,000 back. It's not a kind of a better trade I wanted to see. 1 to 2 was already there, but I didn't take it, and that was on me. I wanted price to go higher. Again, that is how the market treats us. So you have to know it. When you hit 1 to 2, get out. 1 to 2 that the market gave me was about 3,600. When it was 3,600, I should have closed and get out. But you see, I wanted more. I wanted price to give me $4,000. Every trader has that. You just have to learn to manage it. So in my quest of wanting more, I have to lose $1,000 and even more. So that is how it is. But right now, I just have to take partials and then leave the rest of the market to go up. So as you can see, the market is pushing back up right now. If I have left the trade, I would have still been on the trade like this. I mean, that is a choice. You can say, well, why didn't you leave it? You should have just leave it. No, that's a choice for me to make. I told you, if I close at $2,000, it's okay for the day. I'm not trying to push the market to give me everything today. So there's news coming in by 12, and I don't want to be in the market by that time. I'm out. That's my plan. And also, we can see that the market is consolidating right now. It's trying to, retrace back and consolidate within that area, which is fine. So the best thing you do, take partials, okay, and then break even on the rest, and then set your TP at the level. So if you are still on the trade, partials, and then your TP here. So your TP should be at this price point. Let me put it, the label there. Okay, that's your TP. And also your break even should be obviously above this high. So you break even here. That's your break even price right there. As you can see, price is still pushing up, and it's a beautiful setup. It's a beautiful trade today. I hope you guys liked it. Hit the like button to show to us that you liked it, and also comment in the comment section. And I thank you all for joining us on this live trade section. I believe you enjoyed it. You made some money. If you made some money, give it up and put it in the comment section as well. I have some links in the description, which you can use to get in touch. Join our Telegram group. Also, you can get in touch. You can take my course. My trading course is on there. It's cheap. It's not some, you can't break a bank on that. And I have a lot of information for you on that, on how to trade, both swing trade strategy and day trade strategy. They are all in the course. So you can take that course and also learn so much. And if you want to have one-on-one mentorship session with me, you know where to find me, and also what it will cost you as well is in the website below. The link is in the description below. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Again, this is Trader C. Brown, and I love you all. And I'm out today. I'm out. Cheers.